Did you know high blood pressure, also called hypertension, is often called the silent killer? It can sneak up on you with little to no symptoms, yet it puts your heart, kidneys, and brain at serious risk. But here's the good news. Managing and even reversing high blood pressure doesn't have to rely only on medications. In this video, we'll uncover the common causes of hypertension and share natural, effective ways to lower and prevent it. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss these life-changing tips. 1. Poor diet and nutrition. One of the primary causes of high blood pressure is poor diet. A diet high in salt, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can cause an imbalance in the body's electrolyte levels and lead to an increase in blood pressure. Salt, in particular, plays a significant role in raising blood pressure. Consuming too much sodium causes the body to retain water, which increases the volume of blood in the bloodstream, putting more pressure on blood vessel walls. This is why reducing salt intake is a common recommendation for people with hypertension. In addition to excess salt, diets low in essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and calcium can contribute to high blood pressure. These minerals help regulate blood pressure by supporting the function of blood vessels and the heart. A lack of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in the diet can result in a deficiency of these nutrients, thus increasing the risk of hypertension. 2. Sedentary lifestyle. Physical inactivity is another significant contributor to high blood pressure. When you are inactive, your heart has to work harder to pump blood throughout your body. This can lead to an increase in heart rate and blood pressure. Regular physical activity helps strengthen the heart and improve circulation, making it easier for the heart to pump blood without increasing blood pressure. A sedentary lifestyle, on the other hand, can contribute to weight gain and obesity, which are also risk factors for hypertension. 3. Obesity and excess weight. Being overweight or obese is a major risk factor for high blood pressure. Excess weight increases the amount of blood your heart needs to pump, which puts more strain on your arteries and raises blood pressure. Additionally, fat cells can release hormones and other substances that can cause inflammation and promote the narrowing of blood vessels, further increasing blood pressure. Even losing a small amount of weight can significantly reduce blood pressure and improve heart health. 4. Chronic stress. Long-term stress is another significant cause of high blood pressure. Stress triggers the release of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which prepare the body for a fight-or-flight response by raising the heart rate and constricting blood vessels. This temporary increase in blood pressure can become chronic if stress is constant. Over time, the continuous release of these stress hormones can cause the arteries to become stiff and less flexible, leading to higher blood pressure. 5. Genetics and family history. Genetics play a role in the development of high blood pressure. If you have a family history of hypertension, you may be more likely to develop the condition yourself. Certain genes can affect how your body regulates blood pressure, sodium balance, and blood vessel health. While genetics cannot be changed, lifestyle modifications can still help reduce the risk of developing high blood pressure, even for those with a family history. 6. Age and gender. Age is another contributing factor to high blood pressure. As people age, the blood vessels tend to become stiffer and less flexible, making it harder for blood to flow smoothly. This increases the workload on the heart, leading to higher blood pressure. Men are generally at a higher risk of developing high blood pressure at an earlier age, while women's risk increases after menopause due to hormonal changes. 7. Other medical conditions. Several medical conditions can also contribute to high blood pressure. These include diabetes, kidney disease, thyroid problems, and sleep apnea. People with these conditions are at a higher risk of developing hypertension, often because these diseases affect the way the body regulates blood pressure. For instance, diabetes can damage blood vessels, while sleep apnea causes frequent drops in oxygen levels, which can raise blood pressure. Understanding the causes of high blood pressure is the first step in managing this condition. However, identifying the causes alone is not enough. implementing natural remedies is equally important in lowering blood pressure and improving overall health. Let's explore effective natural methods to help you regain balance and protect your heart. 1. Increase potassium intake. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium. A diet rich in potassium can help lower blood pressure naturally. Foods like bananas, spinach, sweet potatoes, and avocados are high in potassium. Increasing your potassium intake can help reduce sodium's effect on blood pressure and improve the health of your blood vessels. Aim to consume at least 4,700 milliliters of potassium daily, as recommended by health authorities. 2. Regular physical activity. Engaging in regular physical activity is one of the most effective natural remedies for high blood pressure. Exercise helps improve circulation, strengthens the heart, and reduces the workload on the heart. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming are excellent for cardiovascular health. Aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week can help lower blood pressure and improve overall heart health. Additionally, exercise helps manage weight, reduce stress, and improve sleep, all of which contribute to healthy blood pressure levels. 3. Lose weight. Losing excess weight can have a significant impact on reducing high blood pressure. Even a small weight loss of 5 to 10% of your body weight can help lower blood pressure. To achieve and maintain a healthy weight, focus on a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Combining this with regular physical activity will help you reach your weight loss goals and reduce the strain on your heart. 4. Reduce salt intake. Reducing salt in your diet is one of the most effective ways to lower blood pressure. The American Heart Association recommends that adults limit their sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milliliters per day, with an ideal limit of 1,500 milliliters per day for most adults. To reduce salt intake, avoid processed and packaged foods, which are often high in sodium. Instead, focus on fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. When cooking, use herbs and spices to flavor food instead of salt. 5. Practice stress reduction techniques. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Chronic stress can lead to long-term increases in blood pressure, so it's essential to find ways to relax and reduce stress. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and mindfulness can help lower stress and promote relaxation. Taking time each day to unwind and practice these techniques can help manage blood pressure naturally. 6. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can raise blood pressure, so it's essential to drink in moderation. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, defines moderation as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. If you're concerned about your blood pressure, it may be beneficial to reduce your alcohol intake or avoid it altogether. 7. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs and supplements may help lower blood pressure. Garlic, for example, has been shown to have a mild but beneficial effect on blood pressure. Other herbs like hibiscus, hawthorn, and valerian root may also have blood pressure-lowering properties. Before using any herbal remedies, it's important to consult a healthcare provider to ensure they are safe and appropriate for you. High blood pressure may be a silent killer, but with the right knowledge and lifestyle changes, you can take control of your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. Together, let's take steps toward better health, one day at a time.